Remote diagnostics is a convenient way for some workshops to carry out programming and coding functions without having to purchase their own dealer diagnostic tools. Remote diagnostics service is provided when a skilled technician connects to a remote diagnostics tool in your workshop plugged in to the vehicle. Then the remote technician uses their own dealer diagnostic tools to carry out the coding and programming remotely. Remote diagnostics service providers generally list their services as a price per job, with a remote device or VCI bought separately. The most frequent users of remote diagnostic services are accident repair centres and body shops, and the most common functions carried out are ADAS calibrations, tow bar fitting and key coding. Remote diagnostics involves carrying out coding over the internet. This of course has inherent risks. If large file downloads are required or long sessions connected to the vehicle needed, problems can arise, and so that's why not all coding can be done remotely. The great benefit of using a remote tool is that it's a get out of jail card, allowing you to work on the vehicle brands your diagnostic equipment does not cover, retain the customers that would normally go elsewhere. If you're a workshop that's focused on just one or two brands and doing the same types of jobs, a remote tool might not be the best option for you, and a dealer tool might work out cheaper in the long run. Future risks with remote diagnostics include problems arising with cybersecurity, as vehicle manufacturers are trying to gain a stronghold on the security of a vehicle. Overall, remote diagnostics can offer a convenient and cost-effective solution for certain programming and coding tasks. However, it's important to carefully weigh the benefits and risks and choose a reputable and skilled service provider. For more information, go to maverickdiagnostics.com.